Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best UTV tires that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number one product name is Ocelot Mars A Utility ATV/UTV tire. The Ocelot Mars A Utility all-terrain vehicle and utility terrain vehicle tire is built to handle tough conditions across both off-road and harder terrain. Designed for use in all seasons, it combines strength and reliable performance without compromising ride quality. The wide gaps between the tread blocks provide improved traction, while the thick claw-like lugs work efficiently on uneven surfaces. With its directional tread design, this model supports smooth movement by clearing away mud, sand, and loose material. This type of pattern also enhances speed and forward motion, especially on softer ground. The shoulder lugs of the tire create extra grip while moving through loamy paths or sharp turns, making it a dependable option for different routes. Its durable 6-ply rated construction resists punctures and extends the tire's lifespan by managing wear over time. With a tread depth of 16 mm and a tire size of 25 by 10 by 12, it offers a balance between strength and lightweight handling. Its tubeless build also adds convenience for riders. Ocelot Mars A tires are known for stability during higher speed rides, while still being easy on the budget. This makes them a cost-effective option for all-terrain vehicle or utility terrain vehicle users who seek durability without high expenses. Whether crossing muddy trails or hard-packed surfaces, these tires deliver consistent grip and dependable performance. With solid traction and robust materials, they remain a strong choice for various off-road adventures throughout the year. In our list, the number 2 product name is MaxAuto at 25 by 8-12 ATV UTV tires. MaxAuto at 25 by 8 by 12 all-terrain vehicle and utility terrain vehicle tires are made to support year-round off-road travel over mixed landscapes. These tires come in a set of 2, built with a bias construction and 6-ply rating that gives them strength for rough usage while also helping with consistent handling. They are made using durable rubber that can manage the demands of various surfaces like muddy trails, dry dirt, loose sand, desert paths, hard rocks, and snowy areas. The design of this tire includes a non-directional A-shaped tread that improves grip while maintaining control. The pattern helps the tire adapt to trail changes quickly by clearing obstacles and offering better surface contact. With a section width of 204 mm and a tread depth of 0.59 inches, this tire supports balance while moving across uneven ground. The aggressive shoulder knobs offer additional bite on the side, especially useful while turning or driving across challenging terrain. This also helps with rim protection and overall tire life. With a load capacity of 255 pounds and maximum air pressure of 10 psi, the MaxAuto tire offers both performance and resilience. These tires are commonly used for all-terrain vehicles, utility terrain vehicles, go-karts, golf carts, and lawn equipment. If someone is replacing tires for outdoor utility needs, this option provides a suitable mix of traction, durability, and reliability for regular use over various environments. In our list, the number 3 product name is Tusk 4-set Megabite UTV ATV tire. Tusk Megabite utility terrain vehicle and all-terrain vehicle tires in the size 32 by 10 by 14 are designed to perform on soft to medium surfaces during any time of year. These tires are built to handle different landscapes using radial structure with 8-ply rating. The aggressive tread layout improves traction while maintaining a stable ride across trails, fields, or rocky areas. With a section width of 10 inches and a tread depth of 0.5 inches, these tires manage balance and grip across varying ground levels. Each unit is made with a strong rubber material that is suited for vehicles with higher engine power. The non-directional tread design supports smooth handling and dependable traction regardless of movement direction. Large gaps between tread blocks allow unwanted debris like dirt, sand, and mud to be cleared away from the contact area, helping the tires stay clean and in full contact with the ground. This pack includes 4 tires, making it a convenient solution for riders seeking a full set replacement. With a load capacity of 1,102 pounds and a tire diameter of 14 inches, this tire works well for machines used on uneven trails, outdoor paths, and working landscapes. These tires support strong grip during off-road travel while also managing wear over time. Riders looking to equip their vehicle for mixed terrain can find reliable performance and lasting durability in this option without having to sacrifice control or ride comfort. In our list, the number 4 product name is Ocelot XC729 All-Terrain UTV Tire. Ocelot XC72932 by 10 by 14 utility terrain vehicle and all-terrain vehicle tires are made for riders who explore various outdoor surfaces year-round. Built with 8-ply radial construction, this model supports both power and balance across mixed paths. With a non-directional tread layout, these tires perform smoothly no matter which direction they face, helping vehicles maintain control during tight turns or on uneven routes. The center tread offers solid contact for handling, while the side lugs provide stability and protect the edges during rough contact with rocks or trail obstacles. At a tread depth of 0.53 inches, these tires grip the ground while keeping the ride smooth. The section width of 10 inches and maximum pressure of 18 pounds per square inch make this a balanced choice for those navigating muddy, hard-packed, or rocky terrain. These tires are suitable for higher power vehicles and are easy to install without concerns about tread rotation. The rugged design also promotes even wear across miles, offering a practical benefit for long-term use. Riders using go-karts, side-by-sides, or four-wheelers will find value in the thick lugs that help clear mud while supporting better movement through ruts. With strong side protection and a design that handles speed well, this tire meets the demands of adventurous terrain. It supports stability and grip while also aiming to reduce rolling resistance for improved performance across trails, work areas, and off-road routes. In our list, the number 5 product name is Ocelot Aurora ATV UTV Tire. Ocelot Aurora 32 by 10 by 15 utility terrain vehicle and all-terrain vehicle tire is built to support different types of off-road use across changing weather and surface conditions. It comes with 8-ply radial build, designed for strong performance while keeping the ride stable and balanced. The non-directional and asymmetrical tread design allows the tire to maintain grip in either direction, making it easier to move through narrow turns or across uneven ground. The section width of 10 inches, combined with a tread layout that includes solid center lugs and thick side support, gives the tire better traction on rough paths. With a tread depth of 16 mm, it offers grip while still flexing during motion to help improve contact with the trail. The maximum air pressure of 18 pounds per square inch and load capacity of 1,150 pounds make this tire capable of handling weight and pressure during demanding rides. Side lugs protect the tire against damage from rocks and sharp terrain, while the tough design helps control wear during long use. Riders using this tire on trails filled with mud, gravel, or dry-packed earth can expect steady grip and less noise. The shape and pattern also help clear out buildup for consistent performance. This option is made for all-terrain vehicles or utility machines and works across muddy ruts, packed dirt, or loose rock. The materials and shape support extended durability while helping to manage braking, speed, and steering in outdoor off-road adventures. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.